everybody, this is Roxy. I thought I'd share our last 2 months of card shares from our card swap. So I'm just going to start right in. This is from Elise. I love her designs. I think this was the garden one. I used mine, so I don't have mine, but I can link my video of it down below. So she's did some really cute collaging. I like how she used that too. Uses the stamp. Super cute. And she just added a little, I suppose this was for the decoration. I didn't mean to take it off, sorry. And then this one, it seems to be another garden one. And I think that was Elise's. Nice, really nice Copic. Master Copic color. Here's another one from Elise. Isn't that cute? This was Easter, obviously. Love that. That is so cute. Very nice. I like how you set them all inside the circle. And Diane D. Martini. Very cute. So cute. This would have drove me crazy trying to color those little areas. Very pretty, Diane. And super cute. And this is probably the garden one, I think. From Diane. More nice coloring. I really should study it and then try to do it. Then from Eiley is this adorable Easter card. So cute. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And I'm not sure. It's a nice birthday card. I can't remember what swap this one was. I hope it's not the one we're doing now. I don't think it is because it's summer birthday cards. But Eiley, you can tell me. And another Eiley. Eiley's like the prim queen. She does such cute primitive. Super pretty. Super, super cute. And then Iris. Hers are pretty too. Everybody does such a great job. I love the paper. I think that's a download. She likes to do, some of hers are downloads, which are cool. Which are really cool. So this is Easter. And then here's the garden one. Really cute. Very pretty Iris. And Jean Spalding. I think this was garden too. This is nice. For like a, sympathy or thinking of you. And Linda Lapatka. This was gardening. So these must all be gardening or Easter. Obviously. I catch on quick. This is really cute. Cute. I like the bees. Very cute. And Linda's Easter card has been so adorable. I like this die cut or embossing. Isn't that cute? That's pretty. I wonder if that's a Martha Stewart. I don't think I've ever seen that. Little pansies. And then Monica. Monica is BC Doula. I should put everybody's channels. I'll list those below. That's Easter. Very pretty. And then Yoli. Miss Yoli Bean. She does embroidery, and that is so cute. Love the bow. What up, Chicky? That's so Yoli, it's funny. And Yoli's garden one is adorable. With her wellies. She has chickens now, and she's posting about her garden, so it's fun to watch all that. Very cool. Oh, cute. Very cute. Thank you, ladies, and thank you all for watching. I'll link everybody down below, like I said, and check out their channels. Lacey does a Saturday morning makes every week, and a lot of really cool ideas. She had some great ideas for Christmas crafts, and they really knocked it out of the park. Thanks so much, and I'll see you later.